Welcome back to Speller Tutorial Services. Today we're talking about word problems, and we have a word problem defined above. Andy is 4 years younger than Samaya. Robert is 3 times as old as Samaya. The total of their ages is 101, and the question is, how old is each person? Let's start this problem out by identifying our players or the subjects of this word problem. So we're going to let A equal Andy. We're going to let R equal Robert. And we're going to let S equal Samaya. Now we're going to decipher this problem one sentence at a time. Andy is, so we know we're dealing with Andy, so we're going to write A. And when we see is, that normally means the equal sign. We know that Andy is 4 years younger than Samaya. So that means whatever Samaya's age is, we have to subtract 4 from her age to get Andy's age because he is 4 years younger. Our next sentence deals with Robert. And it says that Robert is 3 times as old as Samaya. Well, we know Samaya's age is just S. Again, Samaya's age is just S, but we know Robert is 3 times as old, so he has to be 3 times whatever S is. So Robert is equal to 3S. Our next to last sentence says that the total of their ages is 101. So we don't know Andy's age yet, so we're just going to leave that as A. We don't know Robert's age, so that's R. And we don't know Samaya's age, so that's S. But we do know that Andy plus Robert plus Samaya is equal to 101. Now, based off of these two equations that we have defined here and this third equation here, we're going to somehow try to put these together so that we can solve one of them. What I notice is that instead of just writing an A, I can substitute what I said A is equal to. I said A was equal to S minus 4. So let's do that. S minus 4. And then I also have R, which is also here, and I have R defined as 3S. So let's put that in place. 3S. Don't know Samaya's age, so I just keep that as S and set all that again equal to 104. Now I have an equation that I can solve because I have just one unknown, and that unknown is S or Samaya. In the previous equation, I had 3 unknowns, A, R, and S, and with these 3 unknowns, I'm not able to solve the equation. Now, back to the one I can solve. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I have 3, 4, 5 S's, so that becomes 5S minus 4 is equal to 101. Now I need to add 4 to both sides of the equation to isolate that 5S. So now I have 5S is equal to 105. Now I can divide both sides of this equation by 5, and I'm left with S is equal to 105 divided by 5. Well, 5 goes into 10 2 times, and then 5 goes into 5 1 time. So now I know Samaya's age. Samaya's age is 21. So based off of what I know here, I'm going to substitute this 21 for each S that I see in the equations up here. So let's start with Andy's age. Andy is equal to S minus 4. Well, I know that S is 21. And 21 minus 4 is 17. So I know that Andy's age is 17. And now let me figure out what Robert's age is. Robert's age is 3 times S. Well, I found out that S was 21. So it's 3 times 21. So I know that Robert's age is 63. So I found all 3 ages. Now I need to make sure that my work is correct. So let's come back over here where we're going to do our check. To do the check, we're going to start with what we have here. What we have defined here, A plus R plus S is equal to 101. And now I'm going to I'm going to substitute for each one of these variables. Let's say that A was 17. We said that R, or Robert, was 63. And we said that Samaya, or S, was 21. All that should be equal to 101. Now let's add these together. 17 plus 63, well, 60 plus 10 is 70, plus this other 10 makes that 80. So I have 80 plus 21 is equal to 101. And then 80 plus 20 is 100, plus that 1 is, in fact, 101. And I see that both sides, or both expressions, are equal. So I know that I did this problem correctly. That sums it up for this video on word problems with Speller Tutorial Services. Please view our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube page. Thanks again for watching.